To use Aviapages flight time calculator in Skylegs, log in to your Skylegs account, access the Schedule module, and create mission for an aircraft. In opened window, do necessary settings and press Save. Then, System transfers you to the mission page. Press the button Flight. Fill in requested fields. In the menu dedicated to the block time, takeoff time, open Calculation menu and choose Aviapages. Press Save. Displayed flight time was calculated via Aviapages. You can add a leg and make one more calculation for a returned flight or to another airport. Press the arrow on the right. In opened window, add arrival airport. The block time, OBT. Open Calculation menu and choose Aviapages. Press Save. Displayed flight time was calculated via Aviapages again.